Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and enjoyed your Diwali vacation very well. Let us start third chapter, Paheli Kaha. Paheli Kaha means puzzles. एकचक्षुर्न काको अयम बिलमिच्छन्न पन्नगः क्षीयते वर्धते चैव न समुद्रो न चंद्रमः. एकचक्षुर्न means one eye. Kako ayam, kako means crow. Bilam ichchana, bil means hole, H-O-L-E hole. Michchana, ichchana means wish, want to. Pandaga means snake. Kshiyate vardhate chaiva. Kshiyate means is being destroyed, or you can say becoming less. And vardhate means becoming more, increasing. Na samudra, samudra means sea. And chandrama, that is moon. Now translation is, this has one eye but is not a crow. In spite of wishing to go into a hole, this is not a snake. This wanes means becomes less and waxes becomes more, but is neither a sea nor the moon. So what is the answer of the puzzle? That is a needle. Now second puzzle. चतुर्मुखो न च ब्रह्मा वृषारूढ़ो न शंकरः निर्जीवी च निराहारी अजस्रम धान्यभक्षणम्. Chaturmukho means four face, having four face but not Brahma. Vrusha Vrusha means bull. Rudra means sitting on bull. No, Sankara means not Sankar. Nirjivi means non-living. Cha Nirahari means not eating food. Ajastam Dhanya Bhakshanam. But then also taking meal, or you can say food. So the translation is, he has four faces but is not Brahma. He sits on a bull but is not Lord Sankar. He is non-living and eats nothing, but still regularly consumes grains. The puzzle's answer is flour mill, or you can say, or a plow. Now third one, that is apado duragami cha saksharo na cha panditah amukha sphutavakta cha yo janati sa panditah. Apado means not having leg, not having feet. But then also going Duragami means for far distance. Sakshara means learned person. Nacha Pandita, but not a scholar. Amukha means not having mouth. But Sputavakta means speaking very normally. Chayo Janadi, those who know this all. Sa Pandita, he becomes scholar. Now translation of third one is, he is without feet, but one who goes long distances is literate but is not a scholar. He has no mouth but still speaks frankly. Whoever knows this is a scholar. Now the answer is a written letter. Now fourth number, पर्वताग्रे रथो याति भूमौ तिष्ठति सारथिः चलति वायुवेगेन पदमेकं न गच्छति. पर्वताग्रे रथो याति. Now translation is, the chariot moves on the peak of a mountain. Parvat means mountain. And the charioteer stays on the ground. It moves means Sarathi, that is known as charioteer. It moves with the speed of wind but does not go forward even one step. It moves with a wind of speed but then also not even going one step ahead or forward. And what is it? Answer is the potter's wheel. Now fifth number, सुवर्णस्य 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 च जानकी प्रेषिता तव रामेण सुवर्णस्य च मुद्रिका. Here, Suvarnasya word is same, but meaning is different. Let us see what is it. And Janaki, that is Sita, Janak's daughter. Hanuman says to Sita, "O you of the noble family," one of the meaning of Suvarnasya, that is the noble family. Janak's daughter, Sita, Lord Ram of the greatest family. The greatest family meaning Suvarnasya's meaning the greatest family. Has sent this ring made of gold. Suvarnasya means made of gold, another meaning. With lustrous color for you. Lustrous color, again, the meaning of Suvarnasya. Now, next number. भोजनान्ते च किं पेयम् जयन्तः कस्य वै सुतः कथं विष्णुपदं प्रोक्तं तक्रं शक्रस्य दुर्लभम्. Bhojanante means after the meal. Peya means drink. Sutaha means son. And Proktam means said. Now the translation is, what should be drunk at the end of a meal? That answer is Takram, that is buttermilk. Whose son is Jayanta? That is Shakraha. Answer means Indra's. And how is Vishnu's name said to be? Difficult to get. Difficult to get, that is the word of Durlabham. So you have to write down translation in your notebook. And another thing, that is glossary means meanings. Chakshuhu, eye, kakah, crow, bilam, hole, pannagah, snake, kshiyate, is being destroyed, vardhate, increases, chaturmukha, having four faces, four-faced, ajastram, constant, vrushah, ox, tishtati, is standing, mudrika, ring, payam, can be drunk, sutah, son, proktam, said, apadah, without legs, takram, buttermilk, shakrah, indra, yati means goes, or you can say is going. So this you have to write down in your notebook. Thank you.